Most common career related questions asked by all biotech graduates. The question that haunts every biotech graduate or BSc Biotech pass out is, what next? Which course should I take up next? Should I go for masters in biotech or masters in some other stream, or altogether go for an MBA degree? We are sure you are watching this video looking for some possible answers to the above questions. Biotechnica is here to help you out with this. In this video, we have answered some of the most common career related questions asked by all biotech graduates. We know you have put in a lot of hard work to reach this stage, learning all these subjects, whether it is biotechnology, microbiology, biochemistry, or molecular biology. It is not an easy task, and that's why you should not give up hope now and leave your field and get into others without doing proper research. Now, we are going to answer a few questions that we have often received from all biotech graduates who came to us for counseling sessions on how they should proceed ahead in their careers. First question: what should I do after completing BSc or BTech Biotech? Well, there are various options available after you have completed your BSc Biotech. You can either go for a job or opt for MSc Biotech. Masters can be done in various disciplines. You can select either as per your interest. Candidates going for masters can also opt for MSc or PhD integrated degrees available at selected institutes across India. The next question is, from where should I pursue my MSc Biotech or Masters in Biotech? Various renowned universities and institutes across India offer postgraduate degree in biotech. Several universities conduct entrance tests for MSc admission. Keep visiting our website to know about these latest admission notifications. What are job opportunities after BSc or BTech in biotechnology? This is the most commonly asked question. Candidates with BSc Biotech degree can explore job opportunities in the below mentioned fields. R&D jobs in companies as research interns, R&D intern jobs in government labs, QA or QC jobs, clinical research jobs, production jobs in pharma industry, studentship or fellowships followed by a job, and much more. The next question is, what salary should I expect if I take a job after BSc Biotechnology? It starts at 15,000 to rupees 20,000 per month and can go up to rupees 50,000 with experience gained over years, depending on your talent and opportunities existent in the company. If you join as a research intern, you will get a stipend starting at rupees 5,000 per month. Within a few months, you can end up getting a permanent position at the firm with a higher pay package. What is the future of biotechnology in India? Why study biosciences is the million-dollar question. What's the scope of biotechnology in India and abroad? This is the most common question asked. Check the description for the link of a must-read article answering this question, which has been shared and liked by thousands of students like you. While most graduates proceed with their master's degree or doctoral degree in the pursuit of authoring the next major scientific breakthrough, some people are caught up in a crossroads. Sometimes the hard-hitting facts like financial troubles, family issues, and India's dwindling biotech industry can leave many students in confusion. In fact, some people just simply lose their interest through the process. But by now, in the middle of all this coronavirus chaos, you must have understood the importance of biotech or life science course. This is the only field with the potential to fight this COVID-19 crisis. In fact, all other sectors now are dependent on the biotech industry solely. Post COVID-19, be ready to witness more funds flowing into the Indian biotech and pharma industry. So, our only message to all biotech graduates will be, please continue your education further in this field. It has a lot to offer, and moreover, India needs more researchers like you. If you like this video or have any questions, do comment below and we would love to address them. Till then, stay at home and keep learning.